As a portfolio manager, you adhere to a certain style backed by data and research which you process to make intelligent investments. Is momentum part of your decision support criteria? Trendrating specialize in capturing and measuring the momentum factor, so you can maximize the performance of your portfolio no matter what type of investor you are. The momentum factor has undergone academic scrutiny by some of the world's most acclaimed investment experts. The purpose of this video is to validate the positive contribution of momentum, outline the most popular momentum models, and explain the trend rating solution. Momentum investing is not a gimmick, and although many of the world's largest investment managers such as AQR and BlackRock derive huge profits from momentum strategies, there are still many skeptics. Our founders have dedicated the last 6 years statistically validating momentum to shatter its negative perception. Using a series of historical data on equity performance spanning 140 years, Trendrating has examined momentum returns to statistically validate its existence and effectiveness. Our findings confirm that momentum investors have enjoyed significantly better risk-adjusted returns than other factor-based models. Between 1965 and 1989, robust performing stocks performed well for prolonged phases, while weak performing stocks underperformed for long periods. Over the past 25 years, research has again shown that recent past winners outperformed recent past losers, confirming the existence of continuation or the momentum effect. Further evidence was found that while momentum outperformed other separate factors on its own, the combination of momentum and value generated the highest return and best Sharpe ratio globally across multiple asset classes. The existence of momentum is a well-established empirical fact, evident across 200 years of US and UK equity data, over the last century in 40 other countries, and in more than a dozen asset classes. The momentum premium has in fact existed across all markets since their very existence. Still not convinced? Momentum can be captured using different approaches. The two most prevalent are trend-following technical analysis systems and legacy momentum models. First, let's take a look at the trend-following approach. This measures momentum strictly from technical analysis. Most of these algorithms can identify trends quickly, but they tend to be ineffective in volatile markets as they fall prey to false breakouts, which lead to premature stops, thus generating higher fees. Also, these strategies are not designed for portfolio management. Second, there are legacy momentum models, which offer a more stable methodology as they wait for longer periods before confirming a trend. This approach requires investing heavily in high-priced quants to build bespoke momentum models or expensive commercial portfolio analytics providers. Trendrating was founded by an experienced team of portfolio managers and data scientists dedicated to developing technological advancements to improve momentum investing and offer the best of both approaches. Trendrating's model self-adjusts monthly to capture trends lasting anywhere from a few months to a few years, identify trends early enough to capture up to 80% of meaningful price moves, filter out market noise that can generate a string of erratic signals typical of most trend-following indicators, and prove effective for different markets and different economic cycles. Our user-friendly interface also enables you to create and personalize your own momentum strategies and indices without involving expensive quantitative research analysts or algorithmic strategy developers. Over 100 asset managers rely on the power and accuracy of Trendrating to screen the market for investment ideas, run regular health checks on their portfolios to control risk, and to create momentum strategies which complement their existing investment style. Trendrating empowers all professional investors with the most innovative technology to improve their portfolio diversification and overall performance using a momentum model superior to any other in the world. Contact us today to find out how Trendrating can help improve your risk-adjusted returns.